access into people's life, that you're going to say every access that the devil is looking for, all access denied, all access denied. And if there is any crack or an opening in my life or my family, I close it up by the blood of Jesus. God, I pray. Marco Sekiri Abadia Maria Tete, Azalamadia Badia Maria Tata, Izalamadia Pataka, Badia Tete, Azalamadia Papa, Ekateria Badia Tete, Abelia Madia Tata, Abelia Maria Tete, Akotoria Badia Maria Tata, Abelia Maria Paria Papa, Eketeria Badia Tata, Azelia Maria Tete, Abelia Maria Tete, Abodi Maraka Tete. Demonic access denied. All access denied. All access denied. Every access that they are looking for is denied. I deny them. All access, every access, I deny it. I close